Hey friends, welcome back to Cleaning Therapy. My name is Jenny if you're new here, and it is a rainy, gloomy day in September. With the way the heat has been, we have definitely needed the rain, so I am glad for it, and normally I would love to just relax while it's raining outside, but I really do need to get some things cleaned up in the house today. So here I am in the dining room. I'm going to be deep cleaning this dining room today so that we can get it ready for fall decor. And please excuse my voice. I am still battling this cold, and I don't want to just freeze my channel the entire time I'm sick because I would like the show to go on and for us to continue on so we can finally get to our fall decor. So here I'm just going to go ahead and take these slip covers off and get them in the wash. I love these chairs. Our whole family loves these chairs, but being the color white, they do need to be cleaned seasonally. So I like to throw them in the wash. They wash up so nicely, and then they go right back on good as new. We bought these about 1.5 years ago from the American Factory Direct Furniture Store. So we have one here in Louisiana. It's in Covington, and we picked these up on sale and we love them. So they're super comfortable. They're swivel chairs and rockers, and they just kind of zip up the side here and then go right back on. So I'm going to get these washed, and I'm also going to give them a quick vacuum while they are playing here without the slip covers. Leave me an emoji in the comments if you're hanging out with me today. Now I'm going to go ahead and move these chairs while the slip covers are washing. I want to get to this light fixture up here, and I also want to clean this rug and clean under the rug. So lots of messes and dirt on here, even dried out Play-Doh as usual. And I just wanted to get a chair and get up here and clean this light fixture. It was really dusty, and this is just the perfect time for me to get these deep cleaning tasks done before we head into the holidays. Let me know in the comments what you've been working on in your home, what projects you have going on. Are you fully decorated for fall yet, or are you still working on certain cleaning projects or organizing your home or anything like that? I'd love to hear it in the comments. Please say hello, and I love you guys so much, and I'm so grateful that you're here. Now I'm going in with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner in the orange clove scent. After I got my dry dusting done, I noticed this mantle is very dusty and just needs a really good wipe down. And then I'm also taking my glass cleaner, the Method glass cleaner, and getting my mirror good and clean as well. This is such a great time to get things a little bit cleaner than I normally do. Instead of just cleaning the tops of the furniture, I'm going down to the sides as well, making sure and get all those little dusty areas that just kind of collect during the season, and even just kind of like lower parts of the furniture around the bottom. These all just get so dusty, and even just dust from the broom and the vacuum just kind of going up in here. This is just a great time to get all this done. I would like to kindly thank BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. If there's something interfering with your happiness or something preventing you from achieving your goals, such as difficult life circumstances or anything that's just holding you back, BetterHelp can assess your needs and match you with your own licensed professional therapist. And you can start communicating in as little as a few days. It's not a crisis line, it's not self-help, but it is professional therapy done securely online. You can log into your account anytime and send a message to your therapist. You'll also get timely and thoughtful responses, and you can schedule weekly video or phone sessions so you won't ever have to sit in an uncomfortable waiting room as with traditional therapy. Visit betterhelp.com/cleaningtherapy, that's BetterHelp, and join the over 1 million people taking charge of their mental health with the help of an experienced professional. Cleaning Therapy viewers will get 10% off your first month at betterhelp.com/cleaningtherapy. Everything will be linked in my description box, and thank you so much again to BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. I thought I'd pull out my TINECO floor one today and go ahead and deep clean these floors. So this machine will vacuum and mop at the same time. And as long as you keep the water tank clean, it's a good machine to have around. So if you don't clean it every time, it can get really nasty. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one out. The floors were really gross, and I just wanted to make sure and get them extra good and deep cleaned while I had the rug pulled up. I love how much time this saves when I'm doing my floors. And instead of just having to go around the whole house and vacuum and then go back and mop, I can get it all done in one fell swoop. So this is kind of a handy machine to have around when you really want to be as efficient as possible. Now I'll just get a few little basic decor items back in place. These are kind of staple items that I keep up that are not seasonal decorations. And then once we get this part of the room all set back up, while we're waiting for those slip covers to finish drying, I'll go ahead and move on to the other side of the room, which still has toys and things that need to be cleaned up before I can get to deep cleaning. This table definitely gets so many different uses out of it. Not only do we eat here, but we also do art projects, and apparently all kinds of toys end up over here when Alex and his friends are playing. So sometimes it's Play-Doh, sometimes it's figures, sometimes it's both. It looks like it was a nice little assortment on this day. If you're new here today, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Jenny and I live in Louisiana with my family. I'm married to Tony and we have 3 kids, and I started my channel about 4 years ago. So I love to share inspiration on everything home. So organizing, cleaning, decorating, decluttering, anything you can think of that involves the home or maintaining the home, and you'll probably see it on my channel. So I love to hang out with you guys each week and get to know you and let you see the progress I'm making in my home, and hope that it encourages you and inspires you as well. You guys always inspire and encourage me in the comments, so thank you so much for that. This has not always been an easy journey for me. This is really difficult sometimes. So I'm a procrastinator by nature. I have ADHD and I have anxiety and depression. So sometimes those things just really get in my way and just make it really difficult for me to push through and get things done. I do love to have a clean and tidy home, but it doesn't always happen. So having these videos each week that I bring to you guys just really keeps me on track, keeps me accountable. It does not make it easy for me, but it definitely makes it worthwhile. So thank you for being a part of my journey. I hope you guys have been enjoying the fall videos so far. We decorated my living room and my kitchen, and we even did a fall decor haul video, which is not something I normally do on my channel, but I have done one once in the past. So that was a fun one to make. So if you love fall motivation or fall inspiration for decorating or cleaning, I do have those videos. I'll make sure and link those at the end of this one if you're interested. And I just can't wait to bring you even more fall content as we get the dining room all decorated for fall, as well as my front porch and a couple other areas of my home. So stay tuned for that. I am so excited. You guys know this is my favorite season, and after watching so many YouTube channels, it seems like it's everybody's favorite season. So it's nice that we can all come together and enjoy this time of year. Okay, so now the slip covers are out of the dryer. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one back on. They fit pretty nicely and snugly, which is a good thing. It makes them look nicer, but I do have to kind of make sure that they're all situated to get them on correctly. There's Velcro on the sides, and the Velcro helps keep everything tight and smooth down. So I'm gonna work on this for a bit and then get the pillow covers back on the pillows and get these chairs all set back up. I would love it if you guys would let me know in the comments what videos you'd like to see on my channel in the next couple months as we head into the holidays. That will give me a great idea of what kind of content to plan for you and videos to film. So let me know what you're looking forward to the most and what types of videos you would love to see on cleaning therapy. I feel like I have to be so careful when I'm stuffing these pillows back in because the lining that they put around the stuffing is just so thin and it feels so delicate, like I would be able to tear it really easily. It's kind of like a see-through cover. I'm not even sure what it's made of, but it's definitely very delicate, and I always feel like I'm afraid I'm going to tear it and then have just loose stuffing in the pillow. I did look on Amazon to see if I could find some kind of light pillow liner that I could put in there first before I put these washable covers on. Didn't find anything, especially for specific sizes like this. But let me know in the comments if you have a solution for that, for pillows that just have such a light lining that you're afraid they're going to break. I would really appreciate that. It wouldn't be a proper deep cleaning video without cleaning the baseboards. These always get so dusty, and I just love when I can finally get down in here and clean them. I don't necessarily love cleaning them, but it is a good feeling to know that the highs and the lows are both complete. So the highs with the light fixtures and then the lows with the baseboards, those tend to get so dusty, and it's definitely not something that I'm able to get to every week. So it's a great feeling whenever I can get this done. This second cover is now out of the dryer, so this is such a good feeling to finally get these chairs put back together. They are nice and clean and fresh, and it is off of my to-do list. While I do that, I thought we could discuss our high of the week. So for me, this has not been a crazy high kind of week, so we've all been sick, kind of taking turns being sick. I was the last one, and yeah, mine is lingering a little longer than I would have liked. So definitely not out and doing much right now, but I would say my highlight of the week was just being able to decorate for fall and just having some of the spaces in my house, you know, finally decorated for fall and kind of enjoying that. Also just the anticipation of looking forward to some of the things on our fall bucket list, some of the pumpkin patches and festivals that we're looking to go to, and Renaissance Fest. I'm just really excited about all of those outdoor activities once the weather cools off just a bit, and just planning those with my family. So that has been bringing a smile to my face as I'm kind of recovering and resting up. So let me know in the comments what your high of the week is, and just something really, you know, nice that happened to you this week, or something that brought a smile to you this week. Friends, thank you so much for spending time with me today. I always appreciate you so much. I love being with you. Make sure you're subscribed before you leave today, and I will leave a link to my second channel in the description box so that you can subscribe and join our YouTube family over there as well. Love you guys. Thankful for you guys. Remember, no matter what you're going through in life, you can always come over to my channel and clean your way to calm with me. Thank you again to BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you guys next week.